This next one up is an original, and we really have to thank the music program here. Miss Louie on our right, thank you so much. She helped us write it. We owe her a lot, and she's great. The music program here is great. Brown eyes, perfect when I'm mine. Got me lost in time. Your bright smile will make my heart blow, but somehow it faded away. You still remind me of all the simple things, every glance inside bring me back to you, brings me back to you. Wish I loved, but still I really hope you're missing me, at least a bit, just like I do. Brings me back to you. Brown eyes, you're perfect but not mine. Alluring, but got me lost in time. Bright smile will make my heart blow. If only we'd stay that way. You still remind me of all the simple things, every glance and stare bring me back to you, brings me back to you. Wish you love, but still I really hope you're missing me, at least a bit, just like I do. Brings me back to you. I can't go back, I can't take that. You know I care, but can't say that. I can't go back, can we go back? Can we go back just for 1 hour? Thank you. Again, we're Lilac Dreams. Thank you so much for coming out.